Hey everyone, it's Julianna from Space Camp Organizing. Like you, I've been spending a lot of time at home these days, and I'm ready to tackle some of my own organizing projects and bring you along for the ride. Today we're going to organize my under sink space. I'm nervous to show you mine. It's a mess, but that's why we're all here today, right? So let's take a look. As you can see, everything is kind of everywhere because I don't have any containment in here. We sort of just throw things as we need them, grab them, put them back. By being organized, you can eliminate that problem. First thing we have to do is take everything out, throw things away that are trash. If something lives in another room, go ahead and put it there now. Next, you want to measure your space. Before you buy anything for it, you need to make sure that it's going to fit. Now that it's cleaned out and measured, it's time to sort your supplies into categories. If you like to buy in bulk and have a lot of one item, make sure you store some of it in the garage or utility closet and only keep exactly what you need underneath the sink. The Container Store is available online and can ship items directly to your house. I picked out 2 products to help organize our under sink. Now we're going to put it all back, keeping categories together and the items you use the most frequently within easy reach. So that's it, we're done. It took about 15 minutes, and now I can see what I have, get to it easily, and not feel stressed out when I open up these cabinet doors. If your under sink area is different than this, there's more than one way to organize. Underneath my laundry room sink, it's a little bit taller, so I use different products so I can help maximize the height. Thanks for watching. Comment below with pics of your own under sink area and how you tackled it. For more organizing ideas, check out containerstore.com.